Since 1947, they started developing this particular type of construction. And it's built with dimensional lumber, usually SPF, structural graded. The structural framing is all SPF, Spruce-pine-fir from Canada. And the trims are done with red cedar siding.
Tongue and groove refers to the joining of wood pieces on edge and stacked up so that basically we're building a wall without any fasteners or hardware required. It's stiffer, stronger, more durable, and of course we apply a waterproof coating to the wood, so that helps to repel moisture and UV issues. So in that way the wood performs better. In fact, wood really is a superior in performance to concrete and steel in many ways.
Strength to weight ratio is what makes it ideal for building. It's light, but it's also very strong. The furniture and the interiors, there's some douglas-fir being used. There's some SPF actually that was used. And again, hemlock soffits and some hemlock furniture.
It's a timber house, and you see wood inside and out. We wanted timber furniture that contrasted. So we chose western hemlock and yellow cedar furniture, which is looking beautiful in the house. It provides a contrast with the wall colours and the nature of the walls. We chose yellow cedar doors, and we chose western hemlock for the ceiling. Really love the look and feel of the timber house. You can see the timber outside, you can see the timber inside.